Podcast intro music fades in and then fades to background. Host, welcome to G Fun Facts Online, where we unravel the mysteries of science and technology. Today, we're diving deep, really deep, into the very blueprint of life, our DNA. But this isn't just about a string of letters. It's about a dynamic, three-dimensional marvel, and how artificial intelligence is helping us map it like never before. Host, imagine trying to stuff over 6 feet of thread into a space smaller than a grain of dust. Sounds impossible, right? Well, your cells do this every single second. Each human cell contains about 2 meters of DNA, all ingeniously folded into the microscopic nucleus. This isn't just random cramming, it's a highly organized process. The way DNA folds into these intricate 3D structures, forming what's called chromatin, is crucial. It determines which genes are switched on or off, essentially deciding what kind of cell it becomes and how it behaves. Think of it. A neuron and a liver cell have the same DNA, but they act completely differently because of this 3D folding. Host, and this 3D organization isn't static, it changes. It shifts in response to development, signals from the environment, and even during a normal day in the life of a cell. When this folding goes wrong, it can lead to serious problems like cancer or developmental disorders. So understanding this spatial arrangement is key to understanding life itself. For years, scientists used methods like Hi-C to get glimpses of this hidden world. These techniques showed us different levels of organization, like active and inactive regions, self-interacting neighborhoods called TADs, and loops bringing important bits of DNA together. But these methods are often slow, expensive, and usually give us an averaged picture from millions of cells, hiding important differences between individual cells. Host, this is where artificial intelligence, or AI, enters the scene, acting like a revolutionary master cartographer. AI, especially machine learning and deep learning, is a total game changer. These smart systems can spot subtle patterns in the massive amounts of data from 3D genome research, fill in missing pieces, and build predictive models of chromosome structure with incredible speed and accuracy. We're talking about tools like convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, which can see patterns in interaction maps, much like they do with images. Graph neural networks, or GNNs, are perfect for this because they can see chromatin as a network. And then there are generative AI models, similar to those that create realistic images or text, which can predict and even generate plausible 3D DNA structures. Imagine models like Chromogen from MIT, generating thousands of 3D genomic structures in just minutes. Host, so what exactly is AI doing for us in this microscopic world? Firstly, it's fantastic at enhancing noisy data. Data from single cells, which gives us amazing detail, can be sparse. AI cleans it up, making structural predictions more reliable. Secondly, AI models can predict these 3D structures directly from the DNA sequence and other information, meaning scientists don't always need to do complex, time-consuming experiments. Thirdly, AI helps us see the differences in chromosome folding, even between genetically identical cells. This variability is super important because it can explain why cells behave differently. And crucially, AI is helping us link the 3D structure to actual biological function, how genes are expressed, how diseases develop, and how cells respond to changes. It's like finally understanding how a tiny change in the DNA's shape can lead to a big health problem. Plus, AI dramatically speeds up the whole discovery process. Host, the term cellular cartography really nails it. Just like ancient explorers mapped continents, AI is now charting the intricate territories within our cells. These aren't just flat maps. They are dynamic, multi-layered atlases showing the genome's 3D layout, its important landmarks like genes and control switches, and the complex communication networks that run our cellular lives. Imagine having a Google Earth for the genome, allowing scientists to navigate this landscape, identify hotspots of activity, and see how disruptions can cause problems. Host, and this isn't just theory. there are amazing success stories. We mentioned Chromogen from MIT, which uses generative AI to predict 3D structures super fast. Then Trey's HiCEGNN, developed at the University of Missouri, a graph neural network that reconstructs 3D chromosome structures from single-cell data with incredible accuracy. Models like DeepSea and Akita are even predicting interaction maps directly from the DNA sequence. AI is also sharpening our existing images of chromosomes with tools like HikeMamba. It's a truly exciting time. Host. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. AI, especially deep learning, needs tons of high-quality data to learn from. And sometimes, these complex AI models can be like black boxes. We know they work, but it's hard to see exactly how they reach their conclusions. Making AI explainable is a big focus. Plus, training these models requires serious computing power. And super importantly, AI predictions always need to be checked and validated with real-world experiments. The goal is to combine AI with experimental biology in a continuous loop. Host. Looking ahead, the future of AI in mapping our chromosomes is incredibly bright. We're heading towards a time where predictive modeling will be routine. Scientists will be able to predict how the 3D genome changes with mutations, drug treatments, or environmental shifts. This will be huge for personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on an individual's unique genomic landscape. Imagine AI helping us create movies, not just snapshots, of our genome in action, unraveling dynamic processes. We might even see complete human cell atlases, mapping every cell type in our body, with AI leading the charge. And who knows, AI might even uncover entirely new rules about how our genome folds and functions. Host. So, AI isn't just another tool. It's a transformative partner in our quest to understand life's fundamental blueprint. It's taking cellular cartography into a new era, allowing us to see the 3D architecture of our chromosomes with breathtaking detail. As these AI-drawn maps get more sophisticated, they're guiding us to profound new insights into how our genes work, how we develop, and how diseases arise, ultimately revolutionizing biology and medicine. The intricate folds of our genome, once a deep mystery, are now being unveiled, one AI-powered prediction at a time. The complex geography of our cells is no longer uncharted territory. Podcast outro music starts to fade in. Host. That's all for today on G Fun Facts Online. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating insights from the world of science and technology. Thanks for listening. Podcast outro music fades out.